YouTube, man, what it do, baby? We are back with another bang. Listen, if you are new to this channel, I need you to subscribe, man. Hit the like button, comment, share, turn on post notifications. All right, this channel is nothing but Mopar content, car content, anything of that nature. All right, and in today's banger, we finna go to the muffler shop as promised, and we finna make this scat louder. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go get a mid muffler delete, resonator delete. I don't know what kind of inch tips I'm gonna get in the back, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Like I said, man, I mean what I say and I say what I mean. We finna go make this scat louder. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't get in trouble for loud exhaust, but I don't give a fuck. So all right, if you're new, hit the sub button. And we gonna catch y'all when we get to the shop, man. Peace. All right, YouTube, we made it to the shop, man. Here it is right here. Actually, muffler. All right. Finna get it cracking, man. Yes, sir. She about to be loud, but I'm about to wake the city up, man. Stay tuned, man. I'm gonna record them, having them do it. You know what I'm saying? Show the process of it. So make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube. It took a while, but we got my car in there, trying to get it at an angle, man. It was hard, but you can see we got her in there. Yup, she will be loud, man. You already know. Stay tuned throughout the video, man. Bow! Hey man, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, man. All your car needs, all your car entertainment is on this channel, man. You will not get bored watching my channels, man. Hit the sub button. Let's go. You can see all the equipment that they got. You know what I'm saying? They got it all. Alright, YouTube, this is the idle sound. You can tell it's louder. Way louder. Need to give it some gas. I gotta get dual tips though. That's coming soon too. Let's hear how it sounds. Yeah. Yeah. Yup, perfect. Hey, y'all gotta hear this, bro. No, they didn't just put that on my car, bro. I'm finna get in trouble, fool. You hear that bitch? Yo, I know y'all hear that bitch, bro. One more time, bro.